Good morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is dark web. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. According to various news reports, the question paper for the University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test, that is UGC NET exam, was leaked 48 hours before the exam on the dark web. Now let's discuss about dark web. The dark web is an encrypted portion of the internet not visible to the general public via a traditional search engine such as Google. It is a layer of the internet accessible only by using special software like Tor, the Onion Router, or I2P, that is Invisible Internet Project. The terms dark net and dark web are occasionally used interchangeably but with subtle differences in meaning. Dark net is a network built over the internet, whereas the dark web refers to websites on a dark net. Now moving on to history of the dark web. The dark web officially appeared in the early 2000s with the creation of Freenet, developed by Ian Clark to secure users against government intervention and cyber attacks. The system allows users to express themselves freely without being tracked online. The US Naval Research Laboratory funded the Onion Router, that is Tor. Tor offered intelligence sources a way to communicate easily and safely, especially in hostile areas where personal safety is key. It is now one of the most common browsers used to access the dark web. Now let's discuss about dark web, deep web, and surface web. The dark web and the deep web are also often erroneously used interchangeably. The dark web is one part of the deep web, also called the invisible web or the hidden web. The information found on the deep web is normally encrypted and is not found on indexes. It is about 500 to 600 times larger than the surface web. The surface web, also called the visible web or indexed web, is that portion of the World Wide Web that is readily available to the general public and searchable with standard web search engines. Now let's discuss about pros and cons of the dark web. Pros: to avoid censorship, anonymity and secrecy, access to information, and useful for whistleblowers and journalists. And cons: facilitates illegal activities, malware and scams, violate the privacy of others, law enforcement concerns, and perpetrate terrorist activities. The rise of cryptocurrencies increased the popularity of the dark web, especially for cyber criminals. Digital currencies provide anonymity for people who buy and sell on the dark web. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about dark web. 1. It is a layer of the internet accessible only by using special software like Tor, that is the Onion Router. 2. Darknet is a network built over the internet, whereas the dark web refers to websites on a dark net. 3. The deep web is one part of the dark web. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.